Another agreement within the VIMA suite of documents is an NDA, which stands for a non-disclosure agreement. Now, for those viewers who've downloaded a copy of the NDA from the SAL website or the SPCA website and have taken a look at the explanatory note at the beginning of the NDA, will notice a caveat. And this caveat is essentially that it is not a practice within the VC community for VCs or other investors to sign NDAs. This is a practice, and we've set this out at the outset of the agreement. But however, there may be certain circumstances where a company is providing confidential information about itself to a potential investor who's looking to invest in such a company. Or the NDA might be relevant where the investor is a strategic investor or a competitor, and the investor is not averse to signing such an NDA. In those cases, the investor and the founder can agree to sign a non-disclosure agreement, which essentially provides certain obligations regarding confidentiality to be imposed on the investor.